Hey everybody, we're live at 7:18, and we're running the first mini for Jason's Carded Jedi Master Yoda. Always a hit on battles, as all of you are well aware who are in here. I got 15 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Top four, as you can see there, win spots in the mains. We get a handful of winners here. Going to paste the list in. We have 15 entries, which is fantastic. That's how many we're supposed to have. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to play. Got to get a 5 or more for some sweet action. We got a 9, so that covers it. We're going to get underway here. Good luck, everybody. Let's begin, shall we? Josh in the top spot for our first round with number 15. Steve, round 2. Josh, round 3. Brian takes round 4 with number 5. Chad, round 6 with number 1. Chad, round 6 with number 3. Gary in the top spot for round 7 with number 2. Steve takes the next to last round, round number 8 with number 13, bringing us at long last to the all-important final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winners are Josh, Chad, Steve, and Steve. Double dipping there. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification code. We'll make things legit. PDK TQS, our verification code. As you can see there, our winners one more time. Josh in at number 15 takes the top spot for this mini for a dope-looking Yoda at 7:20 p.m. Eastern Time. I am done with this one, as you can see here and here. One last time, there's the results. Josh in at number 15, followed by Chad and Steve a couple of times. Take the winners on this mini. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks a bunch.